Hey guys, this is Catamount5N here. Here we have a 2004-2005 Duracraft 10-inch box fan, model DB100 on high. Got this fan at Goodwill for $5, I think it was. Alright, here it goes, because almost my battery's dying so on my camera, so here we go. It's the first run of it. Just fell over there. It's only 2 speeds, so it's high, low, and off. Okay. They also have these in a tan color too. Here's the, here, I'm gonna knock over the lamp here. Here's the back of it, without falling over. The back of it. Alright. And the front of it again. And I'm out of time. Goodbye.